because something in your home may be about to change. Maybe things have felt heavy lately. Maybe your walls have heard more sighs than laughter. Eto, Welifo. Maybe the money runs out before the month ends, or there's a quiet restlessness you can't explain. But perhaps this moment is not random. Maybe Allah is opening a door for you, a door you cannot yet see. He is our Razak, the provider, and sometimes He doesn't give more. He gives Barkat, and Barkat can change everything. Barkat is not just about numbers in your bank account. It's when a small meal is enough for many. It's when your time feels stretched and full of goodness. It's when your home carries a quiet, unexplainable peace. Allah is Al-Wahhab, the bestower of gifts beyond measure. When He places Barkat in something, He puts extra into the ordinary. And maybe this moment is a reminder. Don't rely only on the math of this world. Trust the multiplication that comes from the heavens. Because when Allah gives, He gives in ways we cannot calculate. There is a key to Barkat, and Allah has already revealed it, and whoever is mindful of Allah, He will make a way out for them, and provide for them from where they do not expect. Or reflect on that, from where they do not expect. We look at our limits, while Allah's treasures have no limits. He is Al-Ghani, the one free of all need. And when He decides to bless, He does not need a reason that makes sense to us. Sometimes, Barkat is simply Allah making the difficult easy. So how do we welcome Barkat into our homes? Begin with Bismillah in the small things. Let the sound of the Quran fill your space. Be grateful, even for what seems little. Allah is Ash-Shakur, the most appreciative. When you thank Him for something small, He can turn it into something great. Your home is more than walls. It is a space of mercy, a place of remembrance, and perhaps today is a chance to return to that peace, to let go of some worry and place a little more trust in Him. Maybe Barkat is already closer than you think. Open your heart to it. Take a moment to make a sincere dua for your home. Ya Allah, place Barkat in our homes and fill our hearts with peace. Ease our worries and provide for us in ways we cannot imagine. Ameen. If this message resonated with you, comment, Ya Allah, bless my home with your Barkat. Share it with someone you care about. Stay blessed, always.